What's up? Welcome to the very first episode of Free Dab, hosted by me, of course, the one and only Havalynnx. We're so happy to see you here today. Today, we're going to be talking about analytics. Basically, what analytics do is it's a way for you to analyze and track your progress as a content creator. So let's get into it. Analytics are an extremely great and useful tool to use, but the problem is it can also have a negative impact on us as well. And so essentially what I'm trying to say is analytics can both be beneficial and detrimental to our journey to becoming a successful content creator. When speaking in terms of the benefits, analytics are once again an extremely useful tool because it helps us track our progress in terms of location, audience retention, target audience, views, all of that. It's a great way for us to see in terms of numbers how well we are doing. But the problem is that it becomes a detriment to us because we might tend to look at the numbers too often. And this can do a number of things for us. Firstly, it can cause us to be disappointed if we're not seeing the growth and the progress that we want to see in our content. And it can also cause us to become a little bit cocky if we are seeing too much growth at one time, and this can cause us to slack on our consistency. So now for the important part, we're going to be talking about our mindset, motivation, and mastery. So first, we're going to talk about mindset. The key here is to use analytics to your advantage. So when I say that, I mean, don't get caught up in the numbers, don't get caught up in the graphs and what you see. And so don't become discouraged and do not become cocky. Use analytics to your advantage. Look at the numbers, analyze what you see, and use that to make your content even better so that you can grow further. Now, when we're talking about motivation, always remember this: consistent content equals consistent results. And so as long as you keep your mentality right and you keep going forward, the results you desire will eventually come. That brings us to mastering. And in this case, we need to master the art of focus. We need to stay occupied with our content always. So at times you might find yourself bored. Instead of going straight to those numbers, think of ways to better your content. Brainstorm new ideas. Always brainstorm. And if you do find yourself looking at data in your analytics, remember, analyze the analytics. Do not let the analytics analyze you. So in conclusion, having the correct triple M mentality will allow you to have the correct approach to viewing analytics so that you can become the content creator that you strive to be. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. We will be posting every single Friday for you guys. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because we are on the road to 20K, okay? Period. And with that, I am your host, Havalynnx. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms at Havalynnx. Live vivaciously and unbothered. Peace.
Mine superior. I'm stuck in my bag, my line get busier. Back to the money, I'm on like a lamp. Niggas ain't sliding, niggas be camp. Give it a D, got Hall of Fame clamps. Be on the 5 like Run Down Sam. Get with the team, we flowing like water.